If you guys are like me and you have a lot of extra phones just lying around your house, well, you can finally do something with them other than be a paperweight. You can turn them into monitors for your computer. We're gonna need a program called Spacedesk. We're gonna come here, we're gonna scroll down, and you'll see there's the server and the client. We're gonna download the server onto the PC that we're gonna be using to connect a monitor to. Do the install there, that's pretty standard fare. Next, you're gonna wanna come onto your phone. I have an Android, and we're gonna go to the Google Play Store, download Spacedesk, and once that's all done, we're gonna open it up. You'll see here, it throws a message about drivers, that's fine. But you'll see it scans the network and it finds the IP address of the computer with the server running on top of it. So we're gonna connect, and once you hit connect, you can see that the server side will automatically connect and throw a new display onto the display settings. And your phone is now a monitor. Now you can just drag stuff over to it and start using it as a screen. If you're a content creator, if you're a live streamer who does a lot of IRL content, this is perfect for you. I can't recommend this tool enough. As of right now, this is free. It might cost something in the future, so I'm not too sure about that. But play it by ear and just take advantage of it while it exists. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you got something useful out of it. If you did, hey, hit that sub button. If you didn't, hey, hit that sub button. Leave a comment, leave a like, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.